Welcome, nutrition navigators. Have you ever wondered what gluten-free grains exist beyond the realm of quinoa? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're exploring the world beyond quinoa, diving deep into the nutritional benefits and interesting facts of less discussed gluten-free grains. We'll be talking about the mighty amaranth, a complete protein and an ancient grain that was a staple food of the Aztecs. Next, we're exploring teff, a grain high in resistant starch and a fantastic source of iron. Then, we'll delve into Freekeh, a young wheat with high fiber content and a unique flavor. Our journey continues with buckwheat, a heart-healthy, gluten-free powerhouse. And finally, we'll discover the drought-resistant and alkaline-forming millets. Each offering a unique blend of nutrition and taste, these grains are sure to pique your culinary curiosity. So buckle up as we embark on this culinary journey beyond quinoa. First stop, the ancient lands of Central and South America, home to the mighty amaranth. Now, this isn't your average grain. Amaranth is like the overachieving sibling of the grain family. It's one of the few plant foods considered a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. That's like finding a unicorn in a field of horses. This little powerhouse has been around for thousands of years, dating back to the ancient Aztecs. Imagine a group of Aztecs sitting around a fire, munching on a bowl of amaranth, discussing the latest trends in feathered headdresses. Quite a mental image, isn't it? Amaranth isn't just ancient, it's enduring. It survived centuries, weathering the test of time, just like your favorite pair of jeans. So next time you're in the mood for a protein-packed meal, why not give amaranth a go? It's ancient, nutritious, and approved by the Aztecs. What more could you ask for in a grain? Now, let's travel to the fertile lands of Ethiopia for teff, and then to the Middle East for freekeh. Picture this, a grain so rich in resistant starch that it benefits gut health and blood sugar control, and loaded with iron for oxygen transport. That's teff for you. A mineral-rich powerhouse from the heartlands of Ethiopia. But wait, there's more! This grain also boasts a good amount of calcium for strong bones. Now that's what I call a nutritious punch. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, let's set sail to the Middle East, where young wheat is harvested to give us freekeh. A grain with a twist, you ask? Absolutely. Freekeh's delightful flavor comes from its unique harvesting process, where the wheat is picked while still young and green, then roasted. It's not just flavor we're after. Freekeh is a fiber superstar as well, aiding digestion and promoting that all-important feeling of fullness. Who knew young wheat could taste so good? Finally, we arrive at the home of buckwheat and millets, 2 gluten-free powerhouses. Now, don't let the name fool you, dear friends. Despite its somewhat misleading name, buckwheat is indeed gluten-free. And it's not just that, it's a heart-healthy hero too. It contains a compound called rutin that strengthens our blood vessels, potentially lowering our cholesterol. Talk about a grain with grains. Shifting gears a bit, let's meet the humble millets. These little grains are incredibly hardy, thriving in dry, arid conditions. Picture them, bravely standing tall in a drought, refusing to wilt. And they're not just tough, they're also quite the health enthusiasts. Millets are alkaline-forming foods, which can help balance the body's pH levels. So, it's clear, there's a whole world of gluten-free grains beyond quinoa waiting to be explored. So, nutrition navigators, we've journeyed through the world of gluten-free grains that aren't quinoa. We've discovered the ancient protein-packed amaranth, a staple of the Aztecs. We've traversed the landscapes of teff, a gut-friendly and mineral-rich grain. We've also delved into the green fields of freekeh, filled with fiber and flavor. Buckwheat, the heart-healthy powerhouse, showed us that names can be deceiving. It's completely gluten-free. And let's not forget the hardy millets, drought-resistant and alkaline-forming grains that balance our body's pH levels. Each of these grains brings something unique to our tables. Now, I'm curious, which of these grains are you most excited to try? Do share your thoughts in the comments below. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.